Guten Tag. We are facing a cosmic embarrassment. Dark matter and dark energy might vanish from physics books because their entire existence is based on misinterpreting the universe's most basic force, electromagnetism. This alternative theory proves the cosmic mystery could be solved if we just look closer at the electricity.
Part 1. Our embarrassing dark problems.
You know the situation, yes? We have built this beautiful, complex cosmic model, the standard model of cosmology. It's wonderful, but it only explains about 5% of the universe. 5%! The rest is dark. The first problem we encounter is dark matter. We see galaxies spinning much too fast. If they only had the visible mass, they would fly apart. My general relativity tells us there must be a giant, invisible gravity source holding them together. So, we invent dark matter, something that has gravity but doesn't interact with light. We've been looking for it for decades. We haven't found it. Embarrassing. The second problem is the dark energy. The universe is not just expanding, it's accelerating its expansion. To explain this strange pushing force, we invent dark energy, which must make up about 70% of the entire universe. More embarrassment. We're in a situation where we're patching our theories with two giant, invisible, unknown substances. It's like patching a tire with nothing.
Part 2. The electric alternative, a non-mainstream idea.
Now, in the spirit of scientific curiosity, and because I love a good fight, let's look at a radical alternative, one that many of my colleagues dismiss, the electric universe hypothesis. This theory says, maybe we are too focused on gravity. Maybe we are underestimating the power of electromagnetism on the cosmic scale. Remember, plasma, ionized gas, makes up 99% of the visible universe. Plasma is governed by electric and magnetic fields. This alternative view suggests that the powerful, long-range electromagnetic forces and massive plasma currents are responsible for much of the structure and motion we currently attribute to dark phenomena.
The electromagnetism challenge.
Imagine the electric fields running through space, a huge invisible cosmic current. Could the magnetic forces generated by these immense cosmic currents exert a force strong enough to explain the fast-spinning galaxies? Could this electromagnetic force mimic the gravitational effects we attribute to dark matter? And what about dark energy? Proponents of the electric universe suggest that the accelerated expansion could be tied to electrical forces within the vast plasma-filled universe, rather than a mysterious property of empty space. They ask, if the universe is mostly plasmon, why do we prioritize gravity and neglect the electric force?
Part 4. The need for caution and controversy.
Now, a word of caution from your old friend, Talbott. This electric universe hypothesis is a speculative, alternative theory. It is not supported by the vast majority of current cosmological observations and data. The evidence for dark matter and dark energy, while indirect, is overwhelming across many different observational methods. But why discuss it? Because physics thrives on challenging its assumptions. Science must always be open to the possibility that the thing we think is missing, the dark matter, is actually something we already know, like electromagnetism, that we have simply misapplied to the largest scales. It reminds us that our models are maps, not the territory. Sometimes when the map is full of blank spots labeled dark, we should question if we are holding the map upside down. Perhaps the universe is not just heavy and warped. Perhaps it's also a giant hidden electrical circuit. We just need bigger batteries for our telescopes. Did you enjoy the video? Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and drop a comment below. I'll personally respond to you. Hit that subscribe button. You'll hear plenty more mind-bending stories like this one. If you'd like to create a video like this one, take a look in the description below. You'll find the link to the software I used. Purchase it from that link if you want to support Roxblock Science.